invest and deploy technology all over the world. But it is because of the potential that we see in Africa, the tremendous potential, not just in South Africa, not just in Nigeria or Kenya, but across the continent. And to give you an idea of how much we're looking to invest, just in the infrastructure in South Africa, we've planned investment of 46 billion rands that we will spend by the end of 2029. And that we have already seen projected to create an uplift in 80 billion rands of GDP, and that has already created 5,700 jobs locally.